All right, today our first lesson is going to be starting off with talking about fractions. I know it's everyone's favorite thing that everyone loves to talk about, but we're starting with the easiest part of the fractions. We're actually going to multiply fractions. So how we multiply fractions is multiplying just directly straight across. We take 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So I look at 1/4 and say, is there any way I can make it smaller? Well, 1 is the smallest it can go. 4 can't be broken down into anything that 1 can be broken down into. So this is our final answer. If you have time, pause it right now. Try out number 2. Okay. I'm going to look down here at number 3. So 3, I look at it and say 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Well, I'm looking at these two numbers, 4 and 10. Have to think, they're both even numbers. They're both divisible by 2. So if I take 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 5. That's not equal to 5. Wow, what am I talking about? We all make mistakes, see? It's fine to do that. It's equal to 2. And I say, well, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. I cannot break this down anymore. 2 can't be broken down. 5 cannot be broken down. They're both prime numbers. That's what I'm looking for with this. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Let's try one more. Oh, these are going to be big numbers. But you know what? I'm going to skip the big numbers up there. It might be something we might talk about in class to help out. But down here, I'm seeing that this is an improper fraction. This is a proper one. I know in middle school they like to keep them in proper form. In high school, we like them in improper form. So we have to think, how do I convert 3 3/5 into improper form? Okay, if you remember, you have to go through and multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. And then you add it to the 3. This becomes 18 over 5. Oh, not a plus sign. Not equal sign, I mean. Let's try that again. 18 over 5 times 11 over 8. So when I multiply this across, well, these are some big numbers. I'm kind of worried about that. But you know what? 18 and 8 are both divisible by 2. So if I say, let's take out that. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Are those easier numbers to work with? I think so. So I'm looking through. 9 times 11 is 99. Oh, that's a big number. At least for a little bit for right now. 5 times 4 is just 20. So I'm thinking, how can I multiply by 99? The only things I can multiply are 9 and 11. None of that works with 5 and 4. If all else fails, put this in your calculator and see, does it still give you 99 over 20? We'll talk about that in class if you have any questions over the calculator, but this is your final answer. Let's try this last one. 1 3/8. Take a moment. What is the answer to that? Pause it here if you need to. I got for an answer 11 over 8 times 18 over 5. Why am I still getting the same type of numbers? That is the crazy thing. You realize it. That's the same answer as what we're going to have over here. Okay, 18 over 5 times 11 over 8. Well, here's 11 over 8 times 18 over 5. What's the answer to that one? Should have checked this one out before. 99 over 20. Use your previous knowledge of what you have right there. Let's see if we can find one more. Okay, try this one. 5/6 times 1 1/8. 5/6 times. This will get you 9 over 8. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 8 is 48. If I divide both by 3, I can get 15 over 18 is my answer.